Hi guys. First of all, thank you so much for reaching out to me last time when I made a video. There were so many messages, calls and DMs. And the best part was that maximum people could relate to what I said and it made them think. So, that's my purpose of making these videos so that जो 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 चीज़ों के बारे में हम नॉर्मली सोचते नहीं हैं I want you all to think about it. Probably it can change things, and that's the reason I was very happy when people reached out to me. So I'm going to start with something connecting to that video because there were a lot of people, specifically 2-3 जो बहुत clear थे कि उनको क्या चाहिए after that video. They told me that ये तो बता दिया कि one of the most important qualities that you should look in your life partner or any intimate relationship that you have is that are they able to or do they have the ability to fight gracefully. But जो लोग already relationship में हैं, how do they do it? So I'm going to start that how do you fight gracefully. But उससे पहले one small appeal, because ये इतना relate किया है आप सबको, मैं genuinely wish करती हूँ कि हम इस thought को आगे forward कर सके जब भी हमको कोई पूछे. अगर आप उस पोजीशन में हो जहाँ पर आप एडवाइस दे रहे हो, व्हेन समवनस आस्किंग कि यार ये इंसान ठीक लग रहा है, please do remind them that does he fight gracefully, how is he when he fights with other people also. Go check his files of fights and see, is he a mean fighter, a dirty fighter, or is he a graceful fighter. And with that I'm going to start with how do you fight gracefully. So I've penned down certain points which I think really is very helpful. They are very helpful. So point number 1, अगर आप किसी चीज़ से नाराज़ हो and you disagree, you both disagree, so the best, according to me, the best thing to do then is to not talk at that moment and just probably half an hour, 1 hour, whatever time you take to cool off. It's just better not to see each other and just disconnect for some time. बट द पॉइंट इज़ नाउ कि बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं, हमको तो तभी बात करनी है, हम ऐसी सिचुएशन में थे, या हाउ डू आई नो हैव कूल्ड ऑफ, बिकॉज दे थिंक हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं बात कर लूँगा, आई विल बी ओके. But we don't know we've really cooled off or no. So I've got a trick, okay? How do I know if I'm really not upset with this person anymore? So I'm sure in every relationship, especially husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend wali relationship mein, we all share very cute and lovey-dovey messages, right? Go back to one of those messages and just check when you read it, do you still relate to it, and do you feel that yes, this person is exactly what I felt when I was writing, or do you still feel no yaar, I'm still upset. That's the way you check. You come back to your normal temperature or temperament, or is it your temperament is still high. So this is the best way to check it out. ठीक है, और अगर लग रहा है कि हाँ I can read it and I can still say oh I still love you, then go back and talk. Okay, then you've cooled off. Second, which should be a ground rule I think in every relationship, no way that you should abuse or raise hands. That's a ground rule, that's basic. And that's why I say कि कभी कभी जो couples they are very cool abusing each other, just regularly also, मस्ती में भी. I personally feel कि जब प्यार मोहब्बत पे अब जब आप एक दूसरे को गाली देते हो तब बुरा नहीं लगता, बट जब आप लड़ रहे हो या झगड़ रहे हो एंड क्योंकि आप हैबिट में हो एक दूसरे को गालियाँ देने के मस्ती में भी, तो वो जब झगड़े में होता है देन इट पिंचेस एंड यू फील ओ यू स्पोक टू मी लाइक दैट एंड यू स्पोक टू मी लाइक दैट. सो प्रेफरेबली इफ पॉसिबल टू नॉट अब्यूज ईच अदर व्हेन यू आर इन गुड mood also, because it gets carry forwarded in your anger also, or disagreements also. So ideally this should be the thing, and of course raising hand is out of question, that's an absolute no-no. Third would be the intention when you all sit to talk about something or you're disagreeing about something. वो जो बेसिक इंटेंशन है आप दोनों का, वो हमेशा होना चाहिए कि इट्स नॉट यू वर्सेस मी, वी आर वन यूनिट, राइट? वी आर हस्बैंड वाइफ और बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड, वी आर टुगेदर बिकॉज देयर इज समथिंग दैट वी वांट टू होल्ड ऑन टू, एंड वी बोथ आर लुकिंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, और we are the most comfortable with each other, right? So how is it that it becomes you versus me? It is we versus the situation, not trying to find किसकी गलती है, trying to find क्या गलत हुआ and how we can come on to consensus. If I am here in my opinion and you are here in your opinion, so the best would be that we come a little here and try and find a solution. And sometimes when one person is extremely adamant, so it's about your rapport कि अगर एक बार मैं इस तरफ चले जाती हूँ तो दूसरी बार वो रिस्पेक्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब इस रिस्पेक्ट बात से मुझे याद आया कि वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वेरी रिसेंटली हैड आस्क्ड मी कि यार मैं बैठती तो हूँ आराम से बात करने के लिए, बट इतना गुस्सा चढ़ जाता है एंड देन आई लूज टेम्पर एंड देन फिर हम कुछ भी बोल देते हैं एंड बातें बिगड़ जाती है. सो आई गिव हर दिस टिप एंड आई थिंक इट वर्क्स फॉर मी ऑल्सो. यू माइट वॉन्ट टू ट्राई कि अगर ऐसे लगता है कि मैं बात करने जाती हूँ और बात बिगड़ जाती है और आई कांट कंट्रोल व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सो ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन योर माइंड कि say for example you're speaking to your mom, your dad or someone that you cannot cross a line or cannot afford to cross a line. If you're working, so समझ लो अपने बॉस से या CEO से बात करने गए हो, तुमको पता है कि मैं कितना भी नाराज़ हूँ, मैं अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स को बोल के आया हूँ कि फालतू है यार, मुझे ज़रा भी नहीं पसंद आ रहा है काम. बट व्हेन यू गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, हाउ prim and proper and how you churn your words and you speak, right? I really feel that there is a problem with the way we sometimes deal with our partners, because हम सबके साथ कहीं ना कहीं वो फिल्टर रखते हैं, इवन विद आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स कि नहीं यार उसको बुरा लग जाएगा, मैं भी कुछ बोल दूंगी, जाने दे. सो वी कीप दैट फिल्टर. बट विद आवर पार्टनर्स देयर आर नो filters, there is no line of respect. You want to say anything that you want to. In fact, those are the people that you have to, especially in anger, because वो तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और इंटेंस रिलेशनशिप है आपकी लाइफ में, जो आपके साथ हर मोमेंट till your death it's going to be there, right? So why not remember that no, I cannot talk like this. If you have to say something so bitter, it's better we not say anything at all. And this is it. So I feel that if we take care of these small things while we are disagreeing or fighting, I think the relationship can remain peaceful, more than anything else. Or I really feel that love is not enough. Love is not enough to keep a relationship going, because I have seen couples where they say that तुझे तो पता मैं कितना प्यार करता हूँ तुझे, but then गाली भी है और थप्पड़ भी है and what not. But then is that love? तुझे तो पता मैं कितना प्यार करता हूँ and at the same time you are able to abuse that person, ill-treat that person and abuse and do what not, right? So that's not love. So with love, there is immense amount of respect and trust that's needed for any relationship to sustain, or else there's nothing left. Then you just keep dragging those relationships because you don't feel any respect. So अगर प्यार की जो क्वांटिटी है ना कभी थोड़ी सी डगमगाए भी ना, बट अगर रिस्पेक्ट और ट्रस्ट ऊपर है ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट रिलेशनशिप विल स्टिल सर्वाइव. But no matter how much you love the person, even to this extent, but if there is no respect and trust, that relationship is going to crumble anytime. So I hope that anyone who's looking out for their partner can remember about these points. And jinke already partners hai, and if you're going through a certain trouble because of the anger or disagreements, probably can consider these points. So please do share if you think it's helpful. And lots of love, awareness. Do take care of yourself. Bye bye.